First, set the end panel to the front of the unit, making sure it is inside the black corners on the carriage. For all end panels, the holes for the hardware are placed 18 inches apart vertically along the upright. Each type of end panel has its own hardware pack. Please see your installation packet for your specific hardware needs. This is for a plexiglass installation. The holes to attach the plexiglass to the shelving unit must be pre-drilled very, very slowly to ensure that the plexiglass doesn't crack or shatter. Once the holes are drilled, you will need to place nylon spacers between the end panel and the upright. Make sure these are aligned with the pre-drill holes so that the bolt can enter and be secure.